whatever. All right, guys, got you another one here. It's a 1969 Roadrunner. It used to be the Alpine white, and the gentleman decided he wanted it blue, so he painted it blue. And this is a beautiful car. 383, 727 torque flight. Extremely nice car. And like I said, it is a 383, big block. These little car shows just bring out the best of the rides. It's just incredible. Wow, what a ride. Hey, can you pop that hood? I'm gonna go ahead and do inside while you're, if you don't mind.
No 30.
No, we don't care about that. That's what a driven car is supposed to be. This car came out of Illinois. We're in Arkansas now. 74,000 original miles. Interior is extremely nice. I love it. Love this car. I love them all. Wow, what a ride. Let's go ahead and get a quick look at that motor for you. No, looky there. The old Mopar, big block, 383. Mopar or no car is what they say. Car's nice, very nice. This gentleman did all the body work himself. Even got the little bird decal. Look at there. Have you got the beep beep horns on it? All right, we're gonna have him give us the beep beep horn. There we go. You gotta love that. That's the true sign of a Roadrunner. Man, it's a beautiful car. All right, guys and girls, subscribe, like, and share. And we're gonna do some more. We'll be back in a minute. Bye.